Hi dear students. Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, I am going to discuss about the ellipse example problems. One of our subscribers and student requested to solve these type of problems, sir, please. So from the ellipse, I hope the students, those who required, they are watching. I am expecting. So now, find the equations of tangents to the ellipse x square plus 2y square equal to 3 drawn from the point 1 comma 2 and also find the angle between these tangents. So first what we have to do is given equation of ellipse. In the solution step, given equation of ellipse. The given equation you have to write in the standard form, dear students. Now it is given x square plus 2y square equal to 3. Dividing by 3, this equation will becomes x square by 3 plus 2y square divided by 3 is equal to 1. But still it is not in the form of standard one. X square by a square plus y square by is not there. So 2 we can write it as denominator of a denominator. X square by 3 plus y square divided by 3 by 2 is equal to 1. I hope everyone understand. This is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here you mention that here a square equal to 3, b square equal to 3 by 2. Are you able to follow, all of you? Are you able to see that? Yes. After that, the equation of tangent. They are asking to find the equation of tangents. The equation of tangent with slope m, to equation 1 or we know that is also standard formula. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. In place of a square b square, substitute. So y is equal to mx plus or minus root over a square value 3 m square plus b square value 3 by 2. Equation number 2. This is equation of tangents with slope m to the equation of ellipse. This equation is passing through which point? 1 comma 2. In place of x and y, 1 comma 2. Equation 2 passes through. 1 comma 2. Then we have in place of x and y substitute 1 comma 2. So y value 2 is equal to x value 1. So m plus or minus root over m square, 3m square plus 3 by 2. So this m value I am taking here. So 2 minus m is equal to plus or minus root over, take LCM here 2, 6m square plus 3. Now squaring on both sides. So a minus b whole square expansion. So directly I am writing, dear students, 4 plus m square minus 4m is equal to plus or minus is going to eliminate. So you will get 6m square plus 3 divided by 2. So cross multiply, you will get 8 plus 2m square minus 8m is equal to 6m squared plus 3. So these values I am taking into this side. So you will get 6m squared plus 8m squared. Sorry, here only 8m. 6m squared minus 2m squared. M squared terms, dear students. 6m squared minus 2m squared plus 8m plus 3 minus 8 equal to 0. Factorization we need to do. 6m square minus 2m square, 4m square plus 8m minus 5. 5 into 4, 20. For 20 factors, 10 into 2. So we can write it as 4m square plus 10m minus 2m minus 5 equal to 0. From these two, 2m take common. 2m into 2m plus 5 minus 1 take common, 2m plus 5. So from these two also take common 2m plus 5. 2m plus 5 into 2m minus 1 equal to 0, dear students. So okay. So 2m minus 1 equal to 0. That implies that 2m equal to 1, m equal to 1 by 2. So one of the m value you can take it as m1. Next, second value of m, 2m plus 5 equal to 0. That implies 2m equal to minus 5. M equal to minus 5 by 2. Second value of m, you can take it as m2. So first tangents they are asking to find. Now first tangents calculate case 1, case 2. If m equal to 1 by 2, first case of m, substitute in this equation. Then equation 2 implies that, so in place of m, substitute the value 1 by 2. So you will get it as y equal to 1 by 2x plus or minus root over 3m squared. So 3m squared means 1 by 2 whole square, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. So that implies that if you simplify, y is equal to x by 2 plus or minus root over 4 LCM, 3 plus 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. 9 by 4 means 3 by 2 will come. So y is equal to x by 2 plus or minus 3 by 2. So 2y is equal to x plus or minus 3. Tangents. Case 2. If m is equal to minus 5 by 2, then equation 2 will becomes, what will come here? Y is equal to minus 5 by 2x plus or minus root over 3m squared. 3 into 25 by 4 plus m squared is 3 by 2, b squared. So if you simplify this, y is equal to minus 5x by 2 plus or minus root over 4 LCM 75 plus 6. 81 by 4 means 9 by 2 will come. So y is equal to minus 5x by 2 plus or minus 9 by 2. So that implies 2y is equal to minus 5x plus or minus 9. These are the tangents, but not only that one, but also angle between them. So third one, let theta be the angle between 1 and 2 tangents. Then we have tan theta equal to mod m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So tan theta is equal to m1 value 1 by 2, m2 value minus of minus plus 5 by 2 by 1 minus m1 plus m1 m2, 1 by 2 into minus 5 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, 6 by 2. 6 by 2 means what? 3 by 1 minus 5 by 4. So which is equal to mod 3 by 4 minus 5 minus 1. Minus 1 by 4. Denominator, denominator, numerator. Minus 12 modulus. So tan theta equal to modulus of 12. That means plus 12. That implies theta equal to tan inverse of 12. Therefore, the angle between the tangents from the point 1, 2 to the given ellipse is tan inverse of 12. I hope you understand it, students. Still any doubts are there? Later you can write comments. I will explain another question. I hope everyone it is clear. I will go to another question also. Yeah, I think completed. I will rub this board and I will complete another set of questions. In the ellipse exercise, only important questions I covered. Even these questions one time they asked in the public exam, not more times. But one of our students requested, that is the reason I am doing this, otherwise I won't. Why? Because I have busy work. Still I am doing. One of our students, I don't know his name, but Avinash also asked in the circles. Tomorrow I will make it for that students. Avinash, these people are supporting me from many days. 100% I will fulfill their request. The next question, show that tomorrow circles, in the last exercise I done already. Example, one of the examples they are asking, even that also completed. Once I will go through that question and I will complete Avinash. Show that the foot of perpendicular drawn from the center, on any tangent to the ellipse lies on the curve. Dear students, remember whatever I am writing here, the locus point, based on this in 2021 TS MSET question. You remember all of you. It will help you. X square plus y square whole square is equal to a square x square plus b square y square. This result we have to prove, dear students. So I am getting one of student made comment. So first of all, what we have to do, what we need to do with this. The figure is very important for this question. Show that the foot of perpendicular drawn from the center on any tangent. So first I am drawing here one figure. This is a ellipse equation, ellipse figure. Okay. Saying that tangent equation we require. This is the tangent equation. Here the point is this one. tangent equation. So this tangent, generally, tangent with slope, what equation you have taken? Y is equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. This line, this tangent slope is what? Clearly m. Okay. Foot of perpendicular drawn from the center, they are asking. Show that foot of perpendicular. See, just a rough figure. This is the point I am taking. This is x comma y or x1 y1 also. Some lecturers will take x1 y1. I am taking x comma y only, dear friends. Foot of perpendicular means obviously it is perpendicular only. No? Center is what? 0 comma 0 for the ellipse equation. So first step, given equation of ellipse. Given equation of ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That is equation of ellipse in the standard form. Tangent equation. Show that foot up drawn from the center to any tangent. So next tangent equation, after writing equation of ellipse, the equation of tangent with slope m, to equation 1 is y equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. Okay. That mx I am taking here, y minus mx is equal to plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. Put as equation number 1. Sorry, this is equation number 1 now. This is equation number 2. Dear students, one thing immediately you remember. This tangent is having the slope m whenever it is foot of perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular only, no? Tangent equation, this is L is equal to 0. This is foot of CP. After writing tangent equation, here, let P of x comma y be the foot of perpendicular from center of ellipse. That information you have to give. Foot of perpendicular from center of the ellipse. So from figure we observe that CP is perpendicular to tangent. That implies slope of CP equal to minus 1 by m. This tangent slope is m. Obviously the perpendicular slope is minus 1 by m only, no? So that's what I wrote. So equation of CP I am going to write. Equation of CP, that means equation of foot of perpendicular line. Equation of CP is passing through 0 comma 0 with slope minus 1 by m. Y minus, first you write formula, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. In place of x1 by 1, what you have to replace? It is passing through the center. Why? Because drawn from the center of the ellipse. So in place of y1 and x1, replace with 0. Y minus 0 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus 0. So that implies that cross multiply my is equal to minus x. That minus x also we can take here. X plus my is equal to 0. Keep it as equation number 3. From equation 2 and from equation 3, I want to eliminate the value of m. For that, what I am doing is squaring equation 2 and equation 3. After that, we are adding equation 2 square plus equation 3 square. Why we are doing like this? To eliminate m value from that. So here squaring of this value is what? Y minus mx whole square. This side x plus my whole square is equal to this side also square now. So plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square whole square. So equation 2 square plus equation 3 square. Here this value whole square is 0 square only. No need to write. So normally expand y square plus m square x square minus 2mxy plus x square plus m square y square plus 2mxy is equal to square and root will be cancelled. A square m square plus b square minus 2mxy plus 2mxy get cancelled. From these two x square take common, from these two y square take common. So that implies that x square into m square plus 1 plus y square into m square plus 1 is equal to a square m square plus b square. Again from these two m square plus 1 take common. So m square plus 1 into x square plus y square is equal to a square m square plus b square. So from this equation 2, from here m is equal to what? Minus x by y only, no? From this m is equal to subject minus x by y. So wherever m is there, minus x by y, we have to write it to eliminate the value of m. So minus x by y whole square plus 1 into x square plus y square is equal to a square m square means minus x by y whole square plus b square. So take LCM and simplify x square plus y square by y square is equal to x square plus y square into a square x square by y square plus b square. Now both sides x square plus y square into x square plus y square, x square plus y square whole square by y square, which is equal to, here LCM is also y square, a square x square plus b square y square. So both the sides y square will be cancelled. Therefore, the required locus of the foot of perpendicular x square plus y square equal to a square x square plus b square y square. Hence the result, or hence proved. This is the required locus, dear students. I hope you understand. Any doubts are there, please write to my comment box. Yeah, the next question they're asking. Next, tangent condition only they are asking. That also I will tell. Yeah, can I write this? Some students are giving messages, it is coming blur. Sometimes in the live session, based on their connectivity, that network problem, I cannot able to do that, dear students. Why? Because I'm using that net, active fiber net, but still it is coming in that way. But sometimes it is coming good, sometimes it is not coming. But after completing of the session, once you go through the video, it may come good. Find the condition for the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 to be first one tangent, both the conditions I am explaining, tangent. Second one normal to the ellipse, This is the last question in this session. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So 2 questions at a time. If possible, 10:30 around also I will make one video. That is yesterday, day before yesterday I made areas, even that also I want to complete. So the question is, find the condition for the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 to be tangent and to be normal to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So how to get the conditions that I am going to explain now. So here, this side I will explain the condition for the tangent, this side I am explaining for the condition for the normal. So first step, given equation of ellipse and given equation of line. Given equation of ellipse, that you know that. Suppose if you feel it is blur, just my writing, my words, the teaching you write it, whatever I am explaining here, dear students, please. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And given line, slowly one by step I am telling you. Given line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. Equation number 2. This line is a tangent to the ellipse. Find the condition. So here 2 methods are there to do that for tangent. Both the methods here only I will give. One is this given line making into the form of y is equal to mx plus c and apply c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Observe that equation 2 implies that y making subject my equal to minus Lx minus n. So y equal to minus L by m into x plus minus n by m. I hope everyone understand. This compared with y is equal to mx plus c. So where m is equal to minus L by m, don't think that this m value are equal. Otherwise, you can take it as here m, capital M, better. And this is capital C. And capital C equal to minus n by m. The line y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the ellipse. We know that condition. Since equation 2 is a tangent to the ellipse or to equation 1, then we have c square equal to a square m square plus b square. So c value, m value, b is b only, a is a only. C square minus n by m whole square. A square into m value minus L by m plus b square. So it will become n square by m square is equal to a square l square by m square plus b square. Take LCM both sides. N square by m square is equal to a square l square plus b square m square. M square into b square by m square. So both the denominators will be cancelled. Therefore we have n square equal to a square l square plus b square m square. This is the condition. The line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is to be tangent to the ellipse. Suppose if not apply y is equal to mx plus c. What we have to do that? That also possibility I will give. What is the general equation of tangent with slope with parametric equation? Ax by cos theta plus by, so not cos theta, ellipse, no, a cos theta, b sin theta, right, sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Tangent equation, sorry, here it is one only. Ax by cos theta plus by sin theta equal to 1. So now what I am doing is, this equation plus 1 also we can take this side, minus 1 equal to 0. Equation number 3. This is also tangent equation to get the condition. This is also tangent equation. Equation 2 and 3 representing same. Equation 2 and 3 represent same. Whenever the two lines are representing same, their x coefficients are in proportional, y coefficients are in proportional, constants also proportional. So here x coefficient is what? L. By here x coefficient is what? A by cos theta is equal to, here y coefficient is m, here y coefficient is b by sin theta is equal to, here constant is n, here constant is minus 1. I think clear, not clear, it is minus 1 equal to 0. So denominator, numerator, L cos theta by A equal to m sin theta by B is equal to minus n. From these two, cos theta take common, from these two, sin theta make subject. So L by A equal cos theta equal to n minus n. That implies cos theta equal to minus NA by L. This is cos theta value. Similarly, m by b sin theta is equal to minus n. That implies sin theta equal to minus nb by m. What is the relation between sin and cos? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So this value whole square. So n by a whole square minus n by a L whole square plus minus n by b by m whole square is equal to 1. N square a square by L square plus n square b square by m square equal to 1. So this is not tangent equation, dear students. So ax here xx1, no, cos theta, xx1 by a square means x1 is equal to a cos theta. So a get cancelled, x by a cos theta, here I forgot to write. This line it will change. X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta. Minus 1 equal to 0. Now it will be compared, dear students. Not the previous one is like normal equation. Why? Because we have to get the same condition, otherwise we are wrong. So x coefficient here it is cos theta by a. Here x coefficient is L is equal to, here y coefficient is n. Here sin theta by b is equal to, here n by minus 1. So numerator LA by cos theta MB by sin theta is equal to minus n. From these two, cos theta makes subject. LA equal to minus n cos theta. That implies cos theta equal to LA by minus n. Similarly, MB equal to minus n sin theta. So from here, sin theta makes subject MB by minus n. Again, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So substitute the respective values. L by A minus n whole square. Directly I am writing L square A square by n square plus sin square theta n square B square by n square is equal to 1. N square take common and we can take this side. L square A square plus m square B square by n square is equal to 1. Therefore, L square A square plus m square B square equal to n square. So, by observing, both the answers are same. Previously, I have taken here, I forgot to take the normal. Why? Because normal equation is also there. I hope everyone understands. Here, two possibilities are there, dear students. Either method 1, method 2. Decide yourself. This is method 1, method 2. Any one of them you can apply. Now, for the normal, we have only one way. So, first, the second question in this. Given equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. You put as equation number 1. Separately they will ask. They won't ask two questions at a time. Either normal condition or tangent condition only they will ask. Next, given line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Equation number 2. For this equation is said to be normal, find the condition. What is the normal equation? This is the tangent equation, dear students. Previously I wrote. The equation of normal at P of theta to equation 1 is, now we can write it as ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. This is called normal equation. Previously I wrote ax by cos theta like this. Sorry. Now it is b. This equation and this equation. This is also representing a normal equation. Equation 2 and equation 3 represent same. Then their x coefficients are proportional. L by a by cos theta is equal to here m by minus b by sin theta is equal to here n by, this value completely I am taking this side, minus of a square minus b square. So denominator, numerator. L cos theta by A minus m sin theta by B is equal to minus n by A square minus B square. From these two, cos theta makes subject. From these two, sin theta makes subject. L by A cos theta is equal to minus n by A square minus B square. That implies cos theta is equal to, except cos theta remaining, I am taking this side, minus NA by L into A square minus B square. This is about cos theta value. Next, minus M by B sin theta is equal to minus N by A square minus B square. Both sides minus get cancelled, get sin theta value from here, make sin theta subject. So what will come here? NB by m into a square minus b square. Again, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta concept. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So squaring of this value, adding these two. So directly I am writing n square a square by l square into a square minus b square whole square plus n square b square divided by n square into a square minus b square whole square equal to 1. What term will be common in this? N square by a square minus b square whole square is common. You take it common. N square by a square minus b square whole square. So the rest of the terms a square by l square plus b square by m square is equal to 1. So these values I am taking this side, n square by a square. So we will get it as therefore a square by l square plus b square by m square is equal to a square minus b square whole square by n square, which is the required condition for the normal. Required condition for the normal. Here, required condition for the tangent. Required condition for the tangent. Thank you, dear students. I think one of the students, Avinash, also asked that questions. Tomorrow I will complete it by 10th tomorrow. Still any doubts are there, please write to my comment box. I will help you in this. Some students are saying that it's not getting, it is coming like little blur. It is not depend on me, depend on that network. I'm very sorry for that. Thank you all for your support. I'm going to end the session now.